What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel. Welcome back again to the channel. Now, if you're new to the channel, I go by the name of Emmanuel, aka Power Papi. I review Nigerian music, videos like this one, album reviews I have. So go check out the content if you are new. Alright, so today's video, guys, Falz is giving us a video to Johnny from his Moral Instruction album. And with the wake of this EndSARS protest, I've seen a lot of artists express themselves through the best way they know how to, which is their music. And it's pushed some people to very, very vulnerable parts of themselves that they didn't even know they had. A lot of artists that have put a lot of some of their best work yet. I'm looking at guys like Kida Kudz. He put out a song called In My Country, and that was a completely different side of him, and honestly one of his best songs from him. Another artist was Dice Ales. He put out a song called No One, and again another side of him where I've never seen, which is like it's forcing a lot of people to express themselves through the music. That was one thing that I was like, okay. And Scales, I'm forgetting Scales, man. Look at Scales, the song he put out, completely a shocker. Where am I going with this? And Burna Boy as well, of course, like one of the giants, one of the biggest artists to do that was a huge deal, and I'm very glad he did. Now with this, we're not getting a new song from Falz, but we're getting a video to an album that I've regarded as a classic in my book. It's a 10 out of 10 album. Moral Instruction came out just before the elections for Buhari's second term. And I remember that moment being so, like, everyone was super patriotic at that moment. This dropped in January, I think late January, because the elections were going to be in February. And early January, sorry, January 15th, that's when it dropped. But I remember thinking, this is something that I had to give Falz the credit, man. I had to give him the credit of being not just through his music, man. He has shown time and time again that he is cut of a different cloth, man. He's coming from a justice royalty, okay? His dad is one of the most prominent progressive lawyers that we've ever had in the country, and he stood next to Fela. He was one helping Fela with many of his battles with the government, and Falz himself having a background in law as well has made him such a strong person, like in terms of putting truth to power, in terms of recognizing injustices within the country and speaking out and using his voice, using his talents in order to do so. Not just through his music, again, like I've said, he was one of the people that sparked the entire EndSARS protest when he went out with Runtown. It was also making note of instances where there were injustice, like for instance, the NIS was suspending 2 female officers for dancing to his music, and him making it known that those officers don't get expunged, or making sure those officers were treated fairly, and like just seeing the character that he has, and just peeping his character through all of this, and seeing his passion for justice, his passion for a common good for everyone. He is very selfless in many of his acts throughout his career, and he has shown to be one artist that I have definitely regarded as a slept-on icon. Like, he literally is a slept-on icon, and a lot of people don't give him the credit for being for his longevity, okay, as an artist too, man. He was definitely one of my top 10 artists of the decade last year. So when I did the video last year, and I just applaud him so much. And I usually don't go on and on about an artist like this, even just before the reaction, but I already know the song. I know the only thing that we're coming here is to see the visuals to it. But I honestly had to let this point be clear, because and I've seen this as far as being one of the most empathetic public figures that we have in Nigeria. And that might sound like a stretch, but he honestly is. And yeah, and for this song, Johnny was a song that talked about police brutality. It was, I think, the first song on the album, and this was an introduction to the album. Not only did it tackle the issue of police brutality, but it also set the pace for the album. And we knew the angle it was coming from for the rest of the album. And yeah, Journey was produced by TMXO. Shout out to TMXO, an amazing fella sample here. I'm just excited to check out the video. I know some people have left some comments saying it's very triggering, and that led me to like prepare myself because I know it's gonna be graphic. Falz has always been very like, he pays a lot of attention to detail when it comes to his videos. He goes the extra mile in many instances when some videos don't really deserve the extra like imagery. Like he goes far to give you that, and I know he's not gonna pull back at all on this issue because he's gonna show everything, and he's gonna let us know like the extent of this pain, and he's gonna use his art form to make the noise and get it out there, because not alone, like Moral Destruction is in a museum, I think somewhere in Europe right now, as being exhibited as a time capsule, because I told you what the album was. It was a time capsule. It was a huge mirror in front of Nigeria to say, look, this is your country. This is the reality of Nigeria right now. And that album did a lot, and this was one piece of it. And this is a song that would touch on what exactly is at the focal point of Nigerian youth right now, is to end police brutality and liberate people and stop killing them and stop attacking protesters and stop like fam, the whole thing has been stressful for a lot of us, and I know I'm talking too much right now, but anyway, let's get right into the video because I know where my head was about to go right now and I just caught myself. But let's go into the video real quick. Alright, this is Falz Journey official video. Let's go. He's on the floor. Like, Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. A little wave. This fella sample goes hard, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, flip, man. He brought real videos, bro. This is huge. This is a statement. This is a statement, bro. This is a statement. I am honestly here for it, even though this should have been a trigger warning, but, bro, it is the reality. It is the reality, and we cannot shy away from it at the end of the day. We cannot shy away from it. This is what's going down in Nigeria. People literally being shot in the middle of the street in broad daylight. Like they can get away with it and nothing will happen to them. Broad daylight though. It's not even a matter of self-defense here. Like, how can you justify this? There's no case here. There's no case for the cops here. Bro, this shit, man. Nobody free come off a house. They don't burn us. Johnny don't get privilege, but Johnny want more. He want go study. Show the iPhone there. See that symbol there? Cause an iPhone, having a watch, looking flashy is one of those things that stop you for thinking you are a fraudster or something. It's just mad, man. Johnny don't get privilege, but Johnny want more. He want go study. Johnny say he want be doctor. Oh gosh, man. I thought I was ready for this, but I'm not. For the same flaws when blood pop. Why we don't Phoebe one bros? Why you wasting all the blood for? Bro, he's showing every example of that case, man. It could literally be anyone. Bro, look at them hosing people down, bro. Hosing people down. But when there's fire now in, say, accountant's office or something, you won't see the fire. You won't see the hose. You won't see the hose. Why do you need it to send the machete? What's the point of the gunshot? Pause. Johnny just dropped. Johnny just dropped. Johnny just dropped. For no just cause. He's showing the names, bro. He's showing the names. I love this. I love this, Falz, man. Well, come on, let's talk about that fake blood, though. How did I catch up, bro? But anyways, blood on the flag right now, still.
Johnny come, Johnny go, Johnny just completely youth
service. Hey.
Tomorrow, so he
Bro, he's telling stories. These are stories. I forgot the depth of this song, man. He was telling real life stories. He was telling stories, bro, that are so applicable to the pain that people are feeling right now. I forgot how good this stuff was, man. Bro.
Johnny come, Johnny go, Johnny just completely youth
Service. Hey.
Passing out tomorrow, so the guys them do party. For the place, where the boys them they meet usually. 1 or 2 drinks to relax, no we say them 2 shots.
Time don't go.
Night don't show, make
On
them come
Coco House.
Who stand for road, make a horn no night.
Look at them show up.
Popo shot. Back there, where particulars
That where?
Do you think that you are going like this?
This sorry, Ale. Hello, Paulo, my bad. See, that point, you guys were here when I was talking, I was reviewing or reacting to that stupid SARS commander that was justifying profiling people. This is literally the underlying like motive that they have. It's from a personal level. They see it as I'm at this age and I've been working, say, 10 years in the force, and I cannot afford food on my table for my kids, and I'm seeing young people living their lives, and people that have worked for their money or a different, better economic standing than them, and they see as, like, who are you to have those privileges? Who are you to see those? And that anger, that rage, you see them pour it out into the streets and misuse the arms that they are given to protect people, bro. And that's the underlying theme here, because you're seeing how this guy said, where's my share, man? That's you, liver. Your cock gone. You don't pull trigger. Don't kill ammo. Come on.
This is what.
Oh, bro, this is very, 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 very telling, bro. This is telling. Again.
You see in Nigeria, see what they're causing.
Bro.
See,
bro.
They're releasing fire.
Bro.
Releasing fire. This is Lekki Toll Gate.
Oh, man.
This is Lekki Toll Gate. Soldiers have been sent down here. This is Lekki Toll Gate. Shooting at the Protestants.
Johnny just dropped. Now Popo shoot him down. This motherfucking trigger happen, nigga. Just got the necessary sorrow for your family shot. All because them not oblige you when you ask for cash.
God.
Fucking threats, no weapons. Just him and his guys in the car. You have the guts to tell me you accidentally discharged.
He showed the families, bro. He showed the families of victims. Mourning. Oh, God. This just reignites the anger, bro. This just reignites the bro. Fouls. Oh my goodness. I remember seeing this video, man. And like, bro, this is a lot, man.
Just him and his guys in his car. You have the guts to tell me you accidentally discharged.
Man, waka.
You be bloody bastard. You wasted life and tried to tell me that you saw me after. Trying times and dark days is just becoming. It's still the same sad story, just another.
Bro.
Johnny drop for Borno, Johnny fight for Plateau. Some blame it on religion, some they fight for Manu. Johnny drop for Lagos, cause a foolish man overdo. If Johnny continue to drop,
how many? How many would they kill, bro? Gosh, man. That was earth shaking, man. That was, oh my goodness, bro. That is so heavy. Man. Wow. Wow, gosh. I can't begin to like, I don't know where to begin, man. Like, Falz literally doing what art is. Like, art is meant to reflect the times, and what a video, bro. What a video. Telling the entire tale, the reality, reflecting, like, you can't, oh man, put in the visuals of actual crimes that were happening. And I don't know if this panel has come to any conclusion yet, but this is raw evidence right here in a music video. That, imagine evidence so accessible to everyone. We witnessed this. It was a trauma that we had to deal with. We witnessed this nonsense happen. Bro. But for him to immortalize it through his art is very, very, very essential, man. That's why I applaud artists that go as far as this right here was him going the extra mile. And like I said before, he is one that pays attention to detail in his videos on a standard level, man. Look at any of his original videos. There's some things that I'm like, this is not even the biggest song that he has on this catalog, but the detail that he puts into each video, I'm like, wow, this is a lot of detail for a song that didn't really like catapult or do that crazy numbers. But for a song like this, that he knows the weight of the song, especially at this time right now, he didn't pull back, man. He didn't pull back. He chose the song brilliantly, because he wrote the song 2019. He released the song 2019, and it's crazy to see that it's a reflection right now, man. Like, this has been a long issue, man. Falz, I really, really, really like commend Falz for literally putting this entire protest, like him being one of the catalysts to get people on the streets and helping to mobilize as well. Being the voice of reason in many media platforms as well. I feel like not only is he like positioning himself as one of the greats, I think he's gonna go down in history as just like an amazing artist that came clutch at many moments for Nigeria as a country. Like, the most patriotic and most, like, a lot of people lost hope in Nigeria, Ben, but it doesn't seem like Falz has. And for a lot of reasons, you continue to see him fight for this country, and you can tell that this man loves this country, man, and he just wants the best out of for Nigeria. He just wants a better Nigeria. But man, dedicating this to the fallen soldiers, man, is so important to commemorate that sacrifice that they did, because to be on those streets, man, nobody begged them, but they just wanted to see a better Nigeria. They just wanted to see a better Nigeria, man. And it literally could have been any one of us. Literally could have been any youth, man. All the victims that you could see their names in the video. He showed their names. He showed the families mourning, bro. He showed the families mourning. He showed the actual crimes. He didn't shy away, man. There's a lot going on here, and man, those fallen heroes, man, we can never forget, man. Just like I said in the Burna Boy song, man, like we just can't forget. We can't afford this. We can't afford to forget such a crime on humanity here. And my hope is that justice is served. Justice has to be served for all these useless crimes, man. This unwarranted, like, no just cause for these crimes, man. For people dying, for changing people's lives, man, for destroying people's lives. Man, shout out to Falz, shout out to the director. Shout out to Falz, shout out to the director that put this together. This was heavy, and I appreciate the fact that they went into detail about the crimes that have been happening, not just in recent times, but the most recent times are the ones that we can point to as, you see what we are fighting for. You see why we are protesting. Man, anyways, that's where I'm gonna end it today. It's been a lot, man. It's been a lot seeing this and you're just like, it's been a lot, man. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and checking out the reaction to this one. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about the idea of going this far into into detail of the crimes that happened and showing that through the visuals. Let me know what you think about that, because I really applaud it. And I know it's very triggering for a lot of people. People would choose not to watch this, and I would definitely understand people not wanting to recollect those moments in their head. But at the same time, you have to applaud the detail and the ability to show the wound, because we can't heal those wounds if we don't reveal them. We can't work on them if we don't reveal them and show, like, this is what's the problem here, man. Anyway, chat, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you guys on the next upload. I've been your boy Emmanuel, aka Power Pappy. I'm signing out. Take care of yourselves, guys, and SARS every day, my guy.